Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is another really cool unboxing I have for you guys. It's a Compoform product. I have a couple actually. These are my V1.1 mini and the V1.1 OG size. So these are Compoform's best-selling products. I think this one, the V1.1 mini, the V1.1 OG size, and this is one of their newest products. Basically, they took this thing and then shrunk it down to a V3 size. Speaking of V3s, they're doing a pre-order soon. I don't know when this video will be live, but it may or may not have happened already. I will leave a link down below to the Compoform page if you want to pick one up. It's there. So yeah, but yeah, it's today's video is going to be an unboxing for another really rare spinner. And yeah, pretty excited. So I'm gonna put these away now, well, to the side. And yeah, I'm gonna open the bag. Give me a second. Let me take it out of the bag for you guys. All right. Here's the box. And before we get to this video, make sure you guys check out the channel sponsors down below. My viewers get an exclusive 10% off your entire order and use code Daily Dose of Fidgets. And yeah, I'll leave all the links down below. Let's get into this unboxing. Oh, wow. This thing is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Holy moly. Just look at that. So just look at the freaking designs on this thing. Jesus. So yeah, like I told you guys in the other rare spinner unboxings, that these things are really rare. I think there's like 5 to 10 of these made in the entire world, and they're brass and handmade, but I'll put it up on the screen. I'll put the correct info on the screen. So yeah, but look at this thing. It is a work of art. So pretty. Just amazing. Just amazing. The patina on the sides. Alright, I'm gonna put this to the side and give it a first rip. Wow, it spins amazing. Such a good spinner, man. Looks and spin wise. So cool. Spins amazingly. Let's take this thing apart. It's a bit hard to take that part out, but got it out. So that was the original color right there when this thing was made, and then the patina set in. That's pretty cool. Wow. All right, let me go ahead and weigh this thing. The buttons are 15.9 and the body is 76, and together they are 91.98. Not bad. I mean, it is a brass spinner and it's absolutely gorgeous. put a nice bearing in there. So I think the way you take these bearings out, do you see those rubber bands, like rubber O-rings around there? You take those out and then you can take the bearing out. Pretty cool. And then it sits in the bottom over here, so you can't take it out of here, only this side. Pretty cool though. So beautiful. I've never had a spinner this beautiful before, and it spins amazingly. Let me see the balance. Yep, solid. So cool. The balance is perfect. The artwork is beautiful. And everything's just perfect. I love this thing. But yeah, this thing's an amazing spinner. I don't have anything else in my collection to compare it to, because everything else is like just standard machine stuff. Some rare stuff, but man, nowhere near as detailed as these things. For sure. But yeah, I mean, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Like, they're so beautiful. Like, I would recommend you guys these things, but they're really hard to find. If you do find one for sale somewhere, or know someone that's willing to let it go, definitely pick it up and try it out. But yeah, love these things. Yeah, alright. Well, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Again, make sure to check out the channel sponsors down below. Use my code Fidgets to save 10% off your entire order. And yeah, I'll also leave a link to the Compoform page so you guys can join. And yeah, see you guys there.